All right. Well, hi, everybody. Good morning. My name is Kieran Agarwal Harding. I'm from the United States.
Jean-Claude Guillemot, I'm from here. We are the co-chairs of this course direction.
We are so grateful to you guys for joining us today. Thank you very, very much. Sorry for the bit of a slow start this morning, but we'll get right back into it. I have a few slides just as introduction, if that's okay.
Maybe we produce a couple of things.
Yeah, we can do that. Absolutely. I have a slide for that, actually. Why don't I go through it? Yeah. All right, great. So today we'll be going over open fracture management, everybody. Our agenda for the day is we have about an hour and a half in the morning with lectures, which should be really great. We'll have a brief coffee break, followed by a few more lectures on principles of external fixation and limb salvage, soft tissue management, and then really the highlight of the day is going to be case discussion, which we're really looking forward to. We'll have some great cases presented and then an opportunity for all of us to ask questions and share some insights. Then a lunch break and then the practical session, which is always the most fun. So we have the room set up to work on external fixation and on negative pressure wound therapy. For those of you guys who are on Zoom, we do have the ability on Zoom to have closed captioning with translation in whatever language you may prefer. Course objectives for today, we're going to primarily focus on developing a systematic understanding of open fracture management from initial evaluation all the way to advanced surgical decision making. We're going to also work on acquiring technical knowledge and practical skills in external fixations, including frame design, pin placement, achieving stability, and then strengthening clinical competence in soft tissue management. Okay, and we'll work on negative pressure wound therapy as a practical skill that we hope all of you can leave here with today. So as we just said, we're the course chairs. Thank you so much, Jean-Claude, for inviting us to be here today. I have to say thank you to our incredible HGOC and SONA organizing team who've helped pack all the supplies and prepare even these slides. And then here's the slide for the course faculty. Really wonderful to have everybody here. Do you want to help introduce everybody, Jean-Claude?
Yes. Yes, please.
Alan, pleasure to have you here.
Anthony. Dr. Barnabas is not yet here.
Well, we have K-Rod, or Edward K. Rodriguez.
Ed Rodriguez.
Yeah.
Trauma surgeon, orthopedic trauma surgeon. Jean-Claude is myself from here. Then we have Kilan, who is in front of us. We have Lambert, and we have Olivier. I'm not seen him, but he's expected to be here. Prof. Who is president of Society and the chair of the Department of Surgery at the University of Rwanda. I skipped Joan. Sorry, apologies, Joan. So Joan is the head of surgery at this hospital. And all of you, please are the most welcome.
Thank you, Jean-Claude. Appreciate it. Thank you also for the welcoming that you've had for us to be here today. Okay, well, with that, let's jump right into it with our first lecture.